So you apply the halftone effect by adding the halftone light filter, and now you want to give it a color. Here are 6 ways to do that. I'll start with my favorite, which is adding a fill layer from the pixel menu. Set the desired color in the fill layer, and then change the blend range of the fill layer to exclude the whites by adjusting the underlaying range. The second method is even easier. We can again add the fill layer from the pixel menu, set the color we want, and as the halftone is made of a white background and the dots from black, we can apply the add or screen blend mode to the fill layer to change the color of the black dots. Pretty cool. The third method is using the recolor adjustment. So let's add this from the layers panel. As you can see, this has no effect as the recolor adjustment cannot change the blacks or the whites. The trick here is to first increase the lightness to 50%, and now we can set the color of the black dots. The next method uses the same principle. First we add a levels adjustment. In this levels adjustment, we increase the output black to 50%, which will make all the black dots mid-gray. Now we can use a recolor adjustment, but as we used the recolor adjustment in the previous method, I'll show you another way by adding a fill layer and then apply the overlay blend mode to the fill layer. I prefer the fill layer because this way I can choose the exact color from the color wheel. And as a bonus, I can immediately see what color is used in the layers panel. The fifth method is for die-hard curve or level lovers. Let's go with the levels adjustment. By adjusting the black level on each of the separate channels, I can get the exact color I want. For example, by maximizing the red channel and slightly increasing the green channel, I can get an orange color. It's not very practical, but still cool that you can do that. The final method is actually the best method as it requires only one adjustment and allows you to change the black and the white color to any color you like. Yes, you probably guessed it. The adjustment we can use is the gradient map adjustment. In the adjustment dialog, we can remove the midpoint and then adjust the outer point colors to set the colors for the black and the whites. Here is a bonus trick. Add a fill layer and set the color you want for the black dots. Change the blend mode to difference and you will get a very nice effect as the background color or the white will always be converted to the opposite or the complementary color, resulting in great looking color combos. By the way, if you want to change the whites instead of the blacks, use the multiply blend mode. There are probably many other ways in achieving this, which I probably missed in this video. Please share in the comments what your favorite method is, and thanks again for tuning in, and see you in the next video.